Hello friends, it's Running Kimono. I hope you're all doing great. Okay, so we're going to talk about some curbside deals for some very inexpensive skincare. If you want to do these deals later, I think it should be okay, but we are going to be doing these curbside, which means you order these items either through your app, through your desktop computer, however you get online, and then opt for a pickup. So you either walk into the store or you drive to the store, call a number, and they will bring all the stuff out to you, and you're like, thank you so much, one of those sort of things. But I'm sure most of you have done a curbside pickup over at Walgreens. If they can't fulfill your order and part of it gets canceled, call customer service and ask for the missing coupons. If one of your items is canceled or if all of your items are canceled, get in touch with them so they can credit you the missing coupons. Okay, so the first item that we are going to be looking at is the Simple, which is a skincare line. It is a wipe for $2.79. These packages, if you look at the top right-hand corner, have 7 each. So, you're probably going to have to find a store that has a makeup counter that has all this, these little specific cosmetic wipes. As you can see, we have this $3 off. It's off of one of their products. This is valid till August the 7th, so you have a little bit to play with this. So if it's not even in stock right now, maybe you could put this order in a couple of weeks and it'll be back in stock and you can do this. And why curbside as well, guys, is because curbside prices are always cheaper than in store. And then the next item that we're going to grab is one of these face scrubs by St. Ives for $3.99. And there's also a $3 digital. And if you are not into this face scrub, I'll have another deal at the very end for a body wash, but this is the cheaper product to be grabbing, just one of these. And as you can see, we have a $3 off one with the exact same expiry date of August the 7th. The very least, load all these digital coupons, and I'm sure this stuff, something will be in stock for a curbside pickup at your store. And then the final item that we're going to grab is the Pond's with Micellar. It's some sort of hydrate wipe, 15 each for $2.59. Okay, and now we have a $3 off digital coupon. So very least, guys, load all these digitals or throw everything in a basket and do a curbside today and get some really inexpensive skincare. Okay, so looking at the digital coupons, our little course line here, Pond's, St. Ives, Simple. The cost of the products, boom, the coupons are gone. The only product that you're actually going to pay for is 99 cents for that St. Ives scrub, but everything else is free. You're just going to be paying tax. So how awesome is that? If you wanted to try some of this skincare, you could do it at a rock bottom price. So our total was $9.37. We opt for that curbside pickup, our little bit of tax. So it's $8.38 of manufacturers coming off for a price point of $1.55. If you want to use $1 of Walgreens cash to pay that down and pay 55 cents, absolutely go for it. But really inexpensive skincare, and how fun is this? These coupons expire that first week of August. So if you can't find anything, just load them, and at the very least, you'll find something between now and August online. Okay, now if you do not like those scrubs, opt to grab 2 of the St. Ives body washes. Shout out to GME Coupons. She was talking about this last night over on Instagram. So 2 of these on a buy one, get one 50% off. And I think today is the last day for this promotion, guys. So you might have to move on it. And today is Saturday, July the 17th. So 2 of them is $5.98. Remember, we have that 3 off of 2 digital. That's coming off. We're opting for a curbside pickup. So you're paying $3.35. And then you're going to get back $1 for buying 2. So it basically shakes it out to like $2 for 2 or 99 cents per body wash. So if you think that's a really good stock up price pour vous, absolutely go for it. And again, if you wanted to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, you can do that as well. And I think today is the last day for this BOGO 50% off with the $1 of Walgreens cash. Good luck and get your deals in ASAP for this curbside. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!